Thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. If you don't already know, Skillshare is an awesome online learning platform that allows you to cultivate new skills and fine-tune the ones you already have. When I was starting out, I found that it was super motivating to see designers I liked or illustrators I liked making cool work and also landing really cool projects, but then it became really overwhelming to think about how I was meant to get there as a beginner. Skillshare is awesome because you get to hear from your favorite creators about how they got to where they are. You hear about the mistakes they made along the way and the lessons that they learned and how you can get there too. I have a bunch of 2-month free trials of Skillshare Premium to give away to the first 1,000 people to click the link in the description. I'm also going to put together a small list of classes that I think look interesting for those of you that are signing up and don't know where to start. Okay, that's it. See you soon.
Wake up, step into the world outside. The future never looks so bright. Can't you hear it calling us?
Okay, we're doing a studio tour finally, but first I need to cat-safe houseplant the studio because I haven't yet. All of the yucky plants are up there. Nate's gonna take me to Bunnings. Bye, Tonks. Love you. It's Nathan.
Hi.
He's just put on some lip balm ready for you. Thank you for driving me to Bunnings.
It's okay.
What a friend. I need to get some cat-safe plants. That's why we're going.
Oh, God.
I'll get you some plants too.
Oh, I don't need any plants.
Why?
Cats.
Wait, I haven't got my seatbelt on. So Nate's gonna actually be filming my video because Rocket abandoned us for the day. For the day.
Let go. Leave all of your cares behind. You never know where you might find. Sunny days are coming up.
You look so 70s with your pants in the background. What's it like in the 1970s?
There's no coronavirus. Business is booming. There's hideous fashion everywhere.
I love it.
This is for you. I don't want it. Meow, 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 meow. What am I doing?
You're holding camera.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that red dot means it's recording. Can't be showing my raw lips.
Should I do any zooming? Can you zoom with the lens?
You can't.
You can't. Wow.
You can go like this.
Does it have the digital zoom?
No zoom.
What a functional camera.
I'll give you that power. Okay, let's go. Wow, gorgeous. Okay, welcome to my studio tour 2020. This is a mood board.
Dreaming of tomorrow, soaking up the sun. We can sit and talk about it. Or we could run away, 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 away. We don't have to stay.
This is where I pin things that I need to refer to later. So these Rezo color charts is one there also. Work that I like that I want my future work to look like. You know, just, what is it called when you have like one of those boards where you imagine your future?
Inspo? Manifestation?
A vision board? We got some prints from artists. I feel like I'm not good at this.
This is quite nice.
Very nice. Very beautiful. Never seen a color chart like that before. Some of my work. Look, Rocket and I at 17.
Wow.
Smooching. Look at this. More.
Oh, more.
So young. Look at Rocket here, Nate.
So little.
Yuck. A lot of people ask me where to get the wireframe. This is just like what they put in concrete to make it stronger. I think stationary places would sell it, but I think it's cheaper at Bunnings, aka hardware store. Nate,
Yep.
examples, American
Yep.
examples.
We've got Lowe's, we've got Home Depot, but Bunnings is our equivalent.
Yes, they sell sausages there. People like that. I do. Over here we have a cupboard.
We could run away, 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 away. Oh, we could run away.
This is where I keep books. I've just put my printer here to keep it functional because before this was just a storage device. I've got books, I've got a plant, I've got some Adventure Time stuff. Anyway, this is by my friend Stella. I made this one. Here's some old Dr. Seuss books, Nate. This is a cupboard. Inside,
Ooh, Rezo, that's how we spell it.
Rezo. We got some Rezo charts and zines that I'm not have on display. This is like for rubber stamps. There's just things here, okay? This is my special box with my special notes in it. I'm sure there's like your birthday card that you gave me that's in here. It also has a kilo of sand from a beach that I grew up near. Oh, look. Ooh. Wow. Ready for an adventure. A new one. Oh, my angel. Oh, you know what I'll do? Here are some books that I like. Go. I'll put them on the screen with music.
Dreaming of tomorrow, soaking up the sun. We can go and find the magic. Yeah, we could run away, 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 away. We don't have to stay. We could run away, 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 away. Oh, we could run away.
Custom table built by Rocket. You can't get it made because he's not a carpenter. Built with love, timber, and metal. It's all the ingredients you need. These are some chairs my mum recently gave me. Don't know if I'll stay here. Do you want to have a board meeting right now?
About what I am.
We better hurry this up. Nate's going to click the off button soon. We've got a little cart. This has supplies that I need. Pencils, pencil cases. We got paints. We got all of the pens and the paintbrushes here. This is so that if I want to work over here, oh, you know what? I go over here. I want to work on that side.
What colour play as the lady on the Harry Potter train?
Anything from the cart, love? None for me. I'm set. Sandwich. Harry sees that he's poor. I've got lots of coins. You know what? I don't know how much this is worth, but I'm going to use it on all the candy. We'll take the lot. Bad decision. Oh, this is my first big painting purchase. I bought it last year by an artist called Ghost Patrol. Lots of people think it's my work. It's not. I love him. Look, it's a koala. Very cute. Love the colours. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking if I ever get sick of it, it'd be a good painting for a children's bedroom if I ever have one child.
Let's go. Dive into the deep blue sky. Come with me to paradise. Can't you hear it calling?
So this is where I want to do digital work. Digital work, traditional work. Sometimes I'm doing both at the same time, so I wanted to have like separation because when I do my book and I'm doing like editing stuff with like spreads that have been scanned and painting the actual spreads, it's chaos. So I wanted to have some separation. More books here. My book. Things. This is measuring devices, this level. I feel like this is not interesting. Ooh.
Disneyland.
Postcards. Can't go there. We got hard drives. I don't know, this is boring. There's watercolors in here. They're my bad watercolors. The watercolors in here, they're my good watercolors.
And how much do these set you back?
Oh, I don't know. Like this is like $15.
Oh wow.
Maybe 14.
How many paintings can you paint?
Oh, some of them I've had for like 4 years.
Oh.
So they're good. It's good. You only use a little bit. This is filming stuff. This is a chest of things I don't want to sort out, but I want to keep,
good.
you know?
Yeah.
My tote bags go in here. Here is a blanket.
Tonka blanket, actually.
This is Tonka's blanket, but inside there's all my sketchbooks. What else? A light box.
A light box.
A guillotine. Snip, snip. And this cutting board, cut. Slice, slice. I feel like my space is not super interesting, but it is very functional, you know? And that's fine. You want an illustrator that spends all their days doing aesthetic stuff? I need to do my work. I need to do my editing. Nate does not like Tonka. He thinks that
People are going to think I hate him.
Nate said that I can't love Tonka anymore. Let him explain.
So I knew Sha'an before she had Tonka. And when I met Sha'an, maybe 3 years ago, it was dog, dog, dog. We all know. We all saw it. Anytime there's a dog, oh, my heart, oh, an angel. And now it's a cat. But she's completely changed as a person. Oh, my God.
I've flown over. Nate doesn't see it much.
Now I see it 24/7. And if we're out, it's like, oh, I wish Tonka was here. I wish I was with Tonka. Blah, 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 Tonka. No more Nate, no more Rocket, no more anything. Just Tonka. Tonka, Tonka, Tonka. But he's very cute.
Yeah. He's perfect.
He's good. It's fine. It's like the honeymoon phase.
For 20 years. Rocket built this table, right? One thing I forgot to say before, it is movable, lockable. Want to put it here? Great. You know what? I want to put it over here. Dung, 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 dung. Oh.
This is not a ramp, what's it called? The wall, the photo wall.
Oh, it's a psych.
We can move this, take some pictures here.
Yeah.
The metal things to hold back.
Everything I take photos of, small. Don't need to. Can put a paper or Rocket. Rocket shoots people. People are big. Some people are huge. They go here. Models, huge. I'm like this. Hello, nice to meet you. If you want to watch Rocket making this table, the video's here. Somewhere. If you want to see him making this, the video's here.
Is it the same video?
Different.
Oh, wow, different.
One video apart.
Glad to see that.
Yeah, you want to see it? Here it is.
It's very dark over here. Bring it over here.
Sorry. We can see the cover.
Oh, that's nice.
Thanks.
Now, a live reading.
Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Goodbye.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming. Nate and I are gonna. I want a bubble tea.
Oh,
We can get
I could do that, yeah. Some people need to say if they like ASMR, so we can...
They already did. I already asked. Lots of people said they like it. Some people said I would die. I hope this is gorgeous. A star.